Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Premiere Pro for Captions with Auto Transcribe. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Adobe website. Navigate to the Adobe Premiere Pro subscription page. Select your desired subscription plan. Click on the Buy Now button. Create an Adobe account if you do not have one. Fill in the required information to set up your account. Provide payment details to complete your purchase. Open Premiere Pro on your computer. Start a new project or open an existing one. Import the video that you want to add captions to. Go to the window menu at the top of the screen. Select text from the drop-down menu. In the text panel, click on the Transcribe Sequence button. Choose the language of your video from the options. Click Transcribe to start the auto transcription process. Wait a moment while Premiere Pro processes your audio. Once completed, the transcription will appear in the text panel. Review the transcription for any errors and make necessary adjustments. To create captions, click on the Create Captions button. Adjust the caption settings to your preference. Click Create to generate the captions. The captions will now appear on your timeline as a text layer. You can adjust the timing and appearance of the captions as needed. Finally, export your video with the caption. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.